Namaskaram, Swagatam, Vanakkam, and a very good evening, dear ladies and gentlemen. I'm Natalia Denise, an anchor and engagement expert from Chennai. I take privilege in welcoming all of you today for this beautiful evening as we gather to celebrate a truly remarkable milestone in the journey of Mirchi and our clients. And one more time, we welcome all of you for the Mirchi Business Class Awards 24-25, powered by Cars 327 Coimbatore, our venue partner, La Royal Meridian Chennai, our digital partner, Times Now Saidi, our celebration partner, Absolute Mixers and Ballantine's Soda. Let the show begin. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests and our distinguished business leaders, it is the right time for us to put our hands together and welcome on stage our chief guest for today, Dr. P. Uma Maheshwari, the CEO of Tamil Nadu Rise Women Startup Council, which is a management professional with 2 decades of experience in MSME, innovation, startup management, and entrepreneurship. Passionate about educating, skilling, and empowering vulnerable communities, she excels in identifying grassroots innovations and nurturing them into successful startups. Please join me in welcoming Dr. P. Uma Maheshwari. May I now request our business director to kindly felicitate our chief guest. A big round of applause, dear ladies and gentlemen.
எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம் இப்படி ஒரு மேடை, இப்படி ஒரு அங்கீகாரம் தொழில் முனைவோருக்காக, தொழில் வளர்ச்சி அப்படிங்கிறது தமிழ்நாட்டில் வந்து முன்னெடுத்துட்டு போகிறவங்களுக்காக ஒரு ஊக்குவிப்பு மேடை அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து இன்னைக்கு எவ்வளோ முக்கியம் அப்படின்னு நான் சொல்லி தெரியணும்னு இல்லை. ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருக்குது. ஏன்னா டிஎன் ரைஸ் விமன் ஸ்டார்ட் அப் கவுன்சில்லேருந்து நான் அதை ரெப்ரசென்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கிறது அப்படிங்கிறது ஐ ஷுட் தேங்க் மிர்ச்சி ஃபார் இன்வைட்டிங் மீ ஃபார் திஸ் ஈவெண்ட். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஆல் வந்து நான் கொஞ்சம் டைம் எடுத்து நான் டிஎன் ரைஸ் விமன் ஸ்டார்ட் அப் கவுன்சில் பற்றி உங்களுக்கு சொல்லணும்னு நான் நினைக்கிறேன். இது வந்து ஒரு கவர்மெண்ட் ஆஃப் தமிழ்நாடுவோட ஸ்பெஷல் பர்பஸ் வெஹிக்கிள், செக்ஷன் 8 கம்பெனி தட் இஸ் ஃபார்ம்ட் அண்டர் ரூரல் டெவலப்மெண்ட் அண்ட் பஞ்சாயத் ராஜ் மினிஸ்ட்ரி, which is focused towards developing entrepreneurs, women entrepreneurs from the rural background. ஸோ இப்போதைக்கு நம்மக்கிட்ட ஒரு 250 entrepreneurs வந்து சப்போர்ட் எடுத்துட்டு இருக்காங்க. இதுக்கப்புறம் நாங்கள் வருஷம் 1000 entrepreneurs, பெண் தொழில் முனைவோர், எஸ்பெஷலி women entrepreneurs வளர்க்கணுங்கிறது எங்களோட கோல். ஸோ இந்த முயற்சியில் நாங்கள் கண்டிப்பாக வந்து உங்கள் எல்லாருடைய சப்போர்ட்டும் எதிர்பார்ப்போம். நீங்களும் வந்து இன்கேஸ் நீங்கள் யாராவது ஒரு பெண் தொழில் முனைவோரை பார்க்குறீங்க, உங்களுக்கு அந்த women entrepreneurக்கு டிஎன் ரைஸ் மூலமா சப்போர்ட் கிடைக்கணும்னு நினைச்சீங்கன்னா யூ கேன் ஆல்வேஸ் நீங்க எங்களை ரெஃபர் பண்ணலாம். ஹையர் லெவல் சப்போர்ட்டுக்கு மட்டும் டிஎன் ரைஸ் வந்து தங்களோட டைரக்ட் அப்ரோச் கொடுக்கும். ஸோ இதுதான் எங்களுடைய ஒர்க்கிங் மாடல். ஸோ இதுல வந்து நிறைய பேருக்கு வந்து இருக்கிற ஒரு பெரிய தயக்கம் அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து தொழில் ஆரம்பிச்சா நம்ம ஜெயிச்சிருவோமா, தோத்துட்டா என்ன பண்றது, இந்த மாதிரி தயக்கங்கள் இருக்கும். இதை ஓவர் கம் பண்றதுக்கு கண்டிப்பா டிஎன் ரைஸ் ஒரு பெரிய ஊக்குவிக்கும் சக்தியா இருக்கும்னு நாங்க நம்புறோம். Thank you so much for the stage, and I wish you all a very great evening and wish you all success in your businesses. Thank you so much for the opportunity.
So ladies and gentlemen, please join me in putting your hands together and welcoming on stage Miss Abhirami, a renowned Indian actress celebrated for her versatile roles in Tamil, Telugu, Kannada and Malayalam films. நமக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்ச மிஸ் அபிராமி அவர்களுக்காக பலத்த ஒரு கை தட்டல் கண்டிப்பாக கொடுத்துடலாம்.
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஆல் மிர்ச்சி ரொம்ப நன்றி என்னை இங்கே இன்வைட் பண்ணி இவ்வளோ ஒரு எஸ்டீம்டான ஒரு கேதரிங்க்கு ஒரு சின்ன பார்ட்டாக என்னை இன்வைட் பண்ணதுக்கு ரொம்ப நன்றி. அண்ட் ஒரு ரூம் நிறைய வந்து ஆண்டர்ப்ரனர்ஸ், பிஸ்னஸ் ஓனர்ஸ் பார்க்குறதே கொஞ்சம் பயமாக இருக்குது. யூ கைஸ் ஹவ் I think it's one of the toughest things. ஒரு பிஸ்னஸ் ஐடியாவை வந்து மனசில் உருவாக்கி அதை வந்து not only to bring it to market but அது சக்ஸஸ்ஃபுல்லாக எடுத்துகிட்டு வரது வந்து ரொம்ப 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 பெரிய விஷயம். அண்ட் இது வந்து உங்களை செலிப்ரேட் பண்ணுற ஒரு ஈவெண்ட். ஸோ கங்க்ராச்சுலேஷன்ஸ் டு ஆல் ஆஃப் யூ. இன்னைக்கு அவார்டுங்கிறது எவ்வளோ பெரிய விஷயங்கிறது எனக்கு தெரியும். ஆஸ் அன் ஆர்டிஸ்ட் அது வந்து ரொம்ப ரொம்ப பெரிய ஒரு ஊக்கம் கொடுக்குற ஒரு விஷயம். ஸோ கங்க்ராச்சுலேஷன்ஸ் டு ஆல் ஆஃப் யூ and congratulations for continuing to celebrate and honor business owners. All the very best. Thank you so much. Happy to be here.
So may I now request the presence of our chief guest as well, Dr. P. Uma Maheshwari, to kindly join us on stage. So ladies and gentlemen, the most awaited moment of the Mirchi Business Class Awards 24-25 is here finally. The award for excellence in multi-brand used car sales and service award goes to Cars 327. Make some noise, everybody. A big round of applause, and may I request the presence of Mr. Vishnu Venugopal to kindly come forward to collect the award. Cars 327, founded by the CEO Vishnu Venugopal, is Tamil Nadu's largest multi-brand car sales and service showroom. Known for top quality service and skilled manpower, it ensures a seamless experience for buyers and owners. A big round of applause, everybody. May I request our chief guest to kindly do the honors and award the winner. Congratulations! Cars 327, everybody. Moving forward, the award for excellence in nephrology care goes to Kaveri Hospital. Put your hands together, everybody, and give them a big round of applause. May I now request the presence of Dr. Muthukumar P., clinical lead and senior consultant, nephrologist and transplant physician, to kindly come forward. And Dr. P. Karthikeyan, the Senior Consultant, Interventional Nephrology and Renal Transplant Physician. Kindly come forward, sir. Can we have you on stage? Congratulations! Excellence in family garments and textiles. The award goes to Cotton House, Thiruvanmayur, everybody. Balatavaru kai thattal kandipaga kuduthiralam. May I now request the presence of Mr. Venugopal, the founder of Cotton House, Thiruvanmayur. Medai anbodu azhaikkurom. Congratulations, sir. So Cotton House was founded by Mr. R. Venugopal and has been a landmark in Thiruvanmayur, Chennai for 25 years. So going forward, the excellence in steel e-commerce, the award goes to #Steel. Can we give them a big round of applause, everybody? And may I request the presence of Mr. Venkatesh Kumar, the Chief Operating Officer, Mr. Sujay GK, the Marketing Head for #Steel.com, with 15 plus years of experience. We will now move forward with the next exciting award, which is Excellence in Hospitality and Timeless Elegance Award. The award goes to Le Royal Meridian, everybody. A big round of applause to our venue partner. May I now request the presence of Mr. Seni Malai, the Managing Director, Mrs. Anandi Vinod, the Director of PGP Group, Mr. Nishant Patania, the General Manager, Mr. Parthi Perumal, the Hotel Manager, to kindly come forward to receive the award. Ladies and gentlemen, Le Royal Meridian Chennai is a symbol of luxury at Gindi Katipara Junction, has redefined hospitality since its opening in the year 2000. Ladies and gentlemen, the next exciting award goes to the excellence in diamond and gold jewelry, and that is Chalani Jewelry Mart, everybody. Put your hands together and give them a big round of applause. May I request the presence of Mr. Jayanti Lal Chalani, the Managing Director, Chalani Jewelry Mart, and Mr. Gautam Chalani, the Director, Chalani Jewelry Mart, to kindly come forward and receive the award. Moving forward, the award for excellence in film promotions, and that goes to Challenge Advertising. Can we give them a big round of applause, everybody? May I invite Mr. R. Shaktivel, the founder and CEO of Challenge Advertising, to kindly come forward. Thank you, sir. award for excellence in innovative product of the year. And that goes to Galaxy Health Insurance. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Presence of the MD and CEO, Shri G. Srinivasan Sir, S. Guru Prakash, the CMO, and Mr. R. Margabandhu, the Chief Underwriting Officer, to kindly come forward. With 22 plus years in product and underwriting expertise and with a visionary leadership, Galaxy Health Insurance continues to set benchmarks in the industry. Excellence and outstanding contribution to MSME and retail banking. The award goes to Indian Overseas Bank. May I now request the presence of Mr. Prem Kumar, the DGM and HOD, Indian Overseas Bank, Chennai. Congratulations, sir. Thank you very much for being with us. In ophthalmology care, and that goes to Amrit Hospital. Can we give them a big round of applause, everybody? May I invite Dr. Lalit Kumar, the Senior Consultant Ophthalmology. Amrit Hospital, a renowned multi-specialty center, is a trusted name in quality healthcare. In home cooling and kitchen solutions, and that goes to Ratna Fan House. May I now invite Mr. K. Vijay, the Managing Director of Ratna Fan House, and Mr. Ramamurthy from Jai Shri Pictures, handling radio and television advertising for over 4 decades, to kindly come forward to receive the award. Excellence in sleep, innovation and comfort, and that goes to Skyflex Mattresses. Can we have them on stage, please? Mr. Jaybal, the founder and CEO of Skyflex, and brand partner Mr. Dilip Babu, UDM Branding Private Limited. So can we have you joining us on stage, please? Next award is for excellence in senior care living, and that goes to the Chennai Homes, everybody. Can we have Mrs. Jayashree Menon, the Managing Director, kindly coming forward on stage? Ladies and gentlemen, the Chennai Homes is a premium retirement community dedicated to making your golden years absolutely meaningful. Next award is for excellence in smart mobility solutions, and that goes to Taxina. Can we give them a big round of applause, everybody? Can we have Mr. Pinku Bharati, the founder, CEO, kindly coming forward, and of course Mr. Vel Murugan, the co-founder. Can we have you join us on stage? The next award is for excellence in heritage silk weaving, and that goes to Kanchipuram SM Silks. அவங்களுக்காக பலத்த ஒரு கைதட்டல் கண்டிப்பாக கொடுத்துடலாம். May I request the founder from Kanchipuram SM Silks, Mr. M.S. Manoharan, to kindly come forward on stage. M.S. Manoharan continues to lead Kanchipuram SM Silks, expanding the brand's reach across Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and beyond. Known for its iconic silk saris, the brand now offers an expanded product range for both women and men. Moving forward, the award for excellence in kitchen appliance innovation, and that goes to Saubhagya Enterprises Private Limited. May I request the presence of Mr. V. Varadarajan, the founder, Saubhagya Enterprises Private Limited, along with Mr. Devarasan, the director from Ananya Trading, Saubhagya's distributor from Sri Lanka, to kindly come forward on stage. Moving forward, the award for excellence in orthopedics care. And that goes to Kaveri Hospital. One more time. Give them a big round of applause, everybody. We will now be moving forward with the next award, which is for excellence in catering services. And that goes to Arasuvai Arasu Caterers. Can we give them a big, big round of applause, everybody? And may I request the presence of Mr. Kamesh Narayanan, the director of Arasuvai Arasu Caterers, to kindly come forward on stage to receive the awards. It is now the right time for us to award the excellence in creative media solutions, and that goes to SS Bruin Share. A big round of applause for them, everybody. May I now request the presence of Mr. Vinu Prasad, the CEO, SS Bruin Share Media, to kindly join us. Thank you, sir. Brainshare Media is an advertising agency focused on elevating brands through creativity, strategic brilliance, and impactful results. Moving forward, the next award is for excellence in pre-owned luxury car selling, and that goes to Boom Cars, everybody! A big round of applause. May I now request the presence of Mr. Haji Ali, the Managing Director, Boom Cars, to kindly join us on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, Boom Cars specializes in buying and selling luxury and sports cars like Ferrari, Lamborghini, and Rolls-Royce, offering top quality pre-owned vehicles inspected by expert engineers with 5 showrooms in Chennai and nationwide doorstep delivery. Boom Cars ensures convenience, transparency, and trust for exotic car enthusiasts. Congratulations to Boom Cars for bagging the excellence in pre-owned luxury car selling. We will now move forward with the next exciting award, and that is for excellence in delivering pure and premium FMCG product to the consumers. And that goes to Cardia Groundnut Oil. Can we give them a big round of applause, everybody? And may I now request the presence of R.K. Rajesh, the Senior Brand Manager of Kaleshwari Group, along with Mr. R. Sultan Anis, the Brand Manager of Kaleshwari Group, to kindly come forward to receive the awards. Moving forward, the award for excellence in advanced hearing solutions, and that goes to the Hearing Aid Center. May I now request the presence of Mr. Anik Mehta, the Regional Sales Manager, Hearing Aid Center, to kindly come forward to collect the award. Congratulations to the entire team. The Hearing Aid Center, HAC, delivers advanced personalized hearing solutions with cutting-edge technology and compassionate care. Under Mr. Anik Mehta's exceptional leadership, the center has grown into a leader in hearing aid solutions. Tonight, we honor him and the HAC team for their outstanding contributions with the award for excellence in humanitarian leadership, and that goes to Caring Arms. Can we give them a big, big round of applause, everybody, and welcome on stage Dr. Eric Osborne, the Managing Director of Caring Arms. Dr. Eric Osborne from Pondicherry has dedicated 32 years to nationwide service through his NGO, Caring Arms, inspired by Jesus' teachings and his mother, Evelyn Osborne. Recognized with prestigious honors like the Mahatma Gandhi Peace Award and the Ambassador Award, he focuses on empowering women and youth. His initiatives include gifting homes to the poor, free 24/7 transport for pregnant women, and coaching centers for students. Known as the modern day Valal, his impactful work inspires many through social media. One more time, put your hands together for the excellence in humanitarian leadership going to Caring Arms. Congratulations. Moving forward with the next award, we have the Excellence in Travel and Tourism Services, and that goes to Your Journey. May I now request the presence of Mr. Rajadurai M., the founder and managing director, to kindly join us on stage to receive the awards. Founded in 2019, Your Journey began as a cab service, aiding thousands during the pandemic by 2021. It expanded to domestic tours and became Tamil Nadu's first to offer a 24/7 toll-free number. Now excelling in international tours. Can we give them a big round of applause, everybody? Congratulations and thank you, sir. Moving forward to the next award, which is the last award as well, the Excellence in Premium Motorcycle Innovation. And that goes to Suzuki, everybody. A big round of applause. May I request the presence of Mr. Siju George, the Regional Manager, Suzuki Motorcycles. So Suzuki Motorcycles has redefined the premium motorcycle segment, blending advanced technology, superior performance, and exceptional design. Their continuous innovation sets new industry benchmarks and attracts enthusiasts worldwide. Tonight, Mr. Siju George, along with Mr. Jones and Mr. Vikram Khanna from Icon Media, will accept the award on behalf of Suzuki Motorcycles. Can we give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, can we put our hands together for all the award winners out here? A big round of applause and a very special thank you to our esteemed guests, Uma ma'am and Abhirami ma'am. Thank you so much for gracing this occasion with your spectacular presence. Thank you. It was a true honor. Thank you very much. மீண்டும் ஒருமுறை எங்களுடைய அழைப்பை ஏற்று இங்க வந்து இந்த நிகழ்ச்சியை இவ்ளோ பிரம்மாண்டமா செலிப்ரேட் பண்ணதுக்காக எங்களுடைய மனமார்ந்த நன்றிகள். Thank you everybody until we see you again at another exciting event. Signing off from the Mirchi Business Class Awards 24-25.